Hey James, I saw your cousin at the cafe yesterday. He looks a lot like you.
Really? That's funny. People always say we have the same smile and dark hair.
Yeah, and you both have brown eyes and kind faces. Is he your older cousin?
No, he's younger. I'm 28, and he's only 24. But he's taller than me. He's about 6 feet tall.
Wow, I didn't notice that. You're pretty tall too.
Thanks. And you changed your hairstyle, right? It looks great.
Yes, I cut it shorter and added some layers. It feels lighter now.
It suits you. You also look a little more sporty lately. Have you been working out?
A little. I started going to the gym twice a week. I'm not trying to change how I look, just feel stronger and healthier.
That's a great goal. I've been trying to eat better and get in shape too.
That's awesome. You already look very fit. I think it's more about health than looks, right?
Definitely. Everyone is different. Some people are tall, others are short. Some are thin, some are curvy. What matters is feeling good in your own body.
I agree. By the way, I really like people who are confident no matter their appearance.
Me too. Confidence and kindness make someone truly attractive.
Yes, I once met someone who wasn't very good looking at first, but after talking to him, his personality made him shine.
That happens a lot. Sometimes personality changes the way we see someone.
Exactly. But it's also fun to notice different styles and features. Like, I love people with freckles or curly hair.
Yeah, and I admire people who dress with their own unique style, not just follow trends.
Same here. I think what makes someone beautiful is when they feel comfortable being themselves.
Well said, Carla. You always express things so well.
Thanks, James. I just think we should appreciate all kinds of beauty.
Agreed. Everyone is unique in their own way.